Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 14th, 2025, which was about 4 days ago. The big hook is that the authors show large language models can simulate their own search process, scaling with more samples to achieve high pass at K on tough question answering tasks, and then train this ability with reinforcement learning. The paper is titled SSRL, Self-Search Reinforcement Learning, and the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, structured self-search scales predictably. SSRL reduces hallucination using format and rule rewards, and the trained policies transfer smoothly to real web search. Also, the authors shared an open-source repo. You will find a clear README with setup and commands, examples for running SSRL and Sim2 Real Evaluation, a LLM agent module, training scripts, tests, and Docker support. The repo includes datasets, download instructions, requirements, files, and an Apache 2.0 license. Alright, this figure sets up the story. On the left, prior systems depend on real search engines and knowledge bases, while the new approach performs full sim search, generating both queries and information internally using the think, search, information, answer format. Moving to the right, the two line plots show test time scaling, where accuracy climbs steadily as the sample budget increases for both Llama and Qwen families. Finally, the bar chart compares zero-shot with SSRL and Sim to Real, showing consistent boosts with SSRL and additional gains when swapping in real search. Building on that, this figure visualizes scaling by sampling across model families. The three panels show accuracy on the vertical axis and sample count K on the horizontal, rising roughly linearly in log K. The left panel shows Llama lines climbing fastest, the middle shows Qwen 2.5 with steady gains, and the right shows Qwen 3 with tight, predictable improvements. The legend in each panel highlights sizes, where even smaller models approach larger ones as K grows. Next, this table maps the evaluation landscape, organizing 7 datasets by knowledge type, time, construction method, targeted task, and source. The top block groups factual sets like trivia QA and natural questions, all manually built from Wikipedia or general knowledge. The middle block lists multi-hop reasoning sets, such as Hotpot QA and Bamboogle, with mixed manual or automated construction from Wikipedia and Wikidata. Finally, the bottom row highlights BrowseComp, focused on search and browse over the open web in 2025. Now this results table compares many training recipes across 6 benchmarks, all scored by exact match. The highlighted self-search rows consistently top the averages, especially for Llama 3.18b, where self-search instruct leads the pack. Building on that, methods that depend on external search or naive chain of thought trail behind, while zero search improves but still falls short. The search engine column clarifies whether training and evaluation used internal knowledge, Wikipedia, or Google, showing the best scores arise without external tools. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, structured self-search scales with samples, letting even smaller models reach strong accuracy. Second, self-search reinforcement learning uses format and rule rewards to curb hallucination, while enabling smooth sim to real integration with external search. Thanks for joining. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.